Hello everyone, myself Angad Hanumantanikam. I am from BID. I have completed my graduation in mechanical engineering from GH Raisoni College of Engineering and Management, Waguli, Pune. Today is 17th November 2021, and our today's discussion topic is that break and continuous statements which are used in the Java programming. So basically, the statements, the break and continue are the keywords which are used in the Java, and they have the specific meaning. As like in the languages, the words have some meanings, some specified meaning. As like in the Java also, break and the continue, these are the keywords which have the specific meanings in the Java. So basically, basic break and the continuous statements, these words are used in the looping or iterative statements to terminate or to break the loop or to jump over the condition. So that's why the break and the continuous statements are used. So basically we will discuss about the continuous statement first. So continuous statement is used to move to the next iterations within the loop while using for loop or else while loop or else do while loop. So basically we will understand first with the example. Suppose I have four conditions. I use for loop. Suppose I equal to 0 and I is less than 4, and I plus plus. So the loop is continuous until the condition is true, and within the for loop I have used if conditions. So in the if condition, suppose my I equal to 2, then I want to continue to other iteration. So in the loop I equal first value of I equal to 0, another value is I equal to 1, loop continue condition is true. If the condition reaches to I equal to 2, then the loop will continue to the another iterations. Suppose I equal to 2, I have there one sentence to in the sysout. Suppose I have learned Java programming continue keyword. So it will jumps towards the third statements, which is equal the value of the I equal to 3. So this is the keyword continue. It will terminate the current situation or current condition of the iteration, and it jumps another condition of the state iteration. So this is the basic use of the continue keyword in the Java. Our another topic, another keyword is that break keyword. So it will be also used in the looping statements or iterative statements. It will use in for loop as well as while loop as well as do while loop. So suppose it will works as like continuous statement, but else a small difference is there. Suppose we will understand with its example. Suppose for loop I have condition I equal to 0 and I is less than 5, and I plus plus, the loop is continue running till the conditions is true. And suppose within it I have to break the loop or break the iterative iterations of I. So that's why the complete closure of the loop I will use the break statement. Suppose I equal to 2, I want to break the loop. So that's why if the loop is continue, if the condition inside the loop I equal to 2, then after I will use the break keyword after that semicolon. So if the I reaches equal to 2, then the loop is break, and the our program flow will be break, and program flow continuous to the another statements which are present in the program. So this is the break statement. Break and continue, both the statements are used in the looping only to, and also break statement is also used in the switch statements to break the conditions, and continuous statement is also used. So this is all about break and continuous statement. Thank you so much.